To show number 20, show 2 on 1's place by bringing one more earthen bead upwards on 10's place and 0 on 1's place by taking 4 earthen beads down and heaven bead up. This is number 20. To show number 21, one earthen bead of 1's place and 2 earthen beads of 10's place touch the skyline. This is number 21. To show number 22, 2 on 10's place will remain same and bring one more bead up on the 1's place. Or we can say that 2 earthen beads on 1's place or 10's place touch the skyline. This is number 22. To show number 23, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain same and bring one more bead up on the 1's place to show 3. This is number 23. To show number 24, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain same and bring one more bead up on the 1's place to show 4. This is number 24. To show number 25, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain as it is. Bring 4 earthen beads down on 1's place and make 1 heaven bead touch the skyline to show 5 on 1's place. This is number 25. To show number 26, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain as it is. Bring 1 earthen bead upwards on 1's place so that 1 heaven and 1 earthen bead on 1's place touch the skyline to show 6. This is number 26. To show number 27, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain as it is. Bring 1 more earthen bead upwards on 1's place so that 1 heaven and 2 earthen beads touch the skyline to show 7 on 1's place. This is number 27. To show number 28, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain as it is. Bring 1 more earthen bead upwards on 1's place so that 1 heaven and 3 earthen beads touch the skyline to show 8. This is number 28. To show number 29, 2 earthen beads on 10's place will remain as it is. Bring 1 more earthen bead upwards on 1's place so that 1 heaven and 4 earthen beads touch the skyline to show 9 on 1's place. This is number 29.